Muhammad Ali said, "I am the greatest." And that was right before one of the toughest fights or one of the biggest fights in his career that he was gonna go and face. What are you telling yourself before you jump into this new appointment or the new job that you're just starting? A lot of times in our industry, and I'm experiencing this with a lot of new agents that come across and want to join our team or just have questions in general, is that they lack confidence. So how do you gain confidence as soon as possible and quickly as possible? It all starts with your mindset, and then the second part of it is by how much you know about the industry that you're in. The biggest recommendation that I always tell people is that first of all is, where's your mindset? What are you telling yourself on a daily basis? And then what are you doing to gain knowledge in the industry that you're trying to start? You have to surround yourself with the right people that will help guide you and get you that confidence level that you need to be successful in the career that you're trying to start. And that's why it's very important as a new agent to join or have a mentor or be part of a group that can help and guide you to the right direction and answer any questions that you may have. In order for you to gain that confidence, you have to first of all know enough about your industry that you're in, and then the second part is that have somebody that you're close with or talk to regularly to be able to gain confidence about something that you are trying to learn or gain confident about. If you are a new real estate agent, I highly recommend that you first of all look at what team options that are there for you, and at the same time maybe have a mentor. If the team is not right for you, maybe find a mentor or a coach to help guide you with that direction.